Okay, moment of truth. Let's see what the Opus 4.6 high effort produced for us. Phase 1, project scaffold and infrastructure implementation plan. So TTT goal: establish the complete project skeleton, tooling, configuration, shared primitives, DI container, HTTP server, so that every subsequent phase builds on a proven foundation. Main thing is we are building the foundation or structure. Architecture, feature-based Express.js and other stuff. Then we have tech stack, Express 4, TypeScript, Zod, not sure, Awilix maybe. Yeah. Test container, super test, amazing. So this is the overall structure. These are the test files. Now step 1, create the package.json. Now, if you think like a Node.js developer, what we usually do, we start with the package.json, right? Then we install something, then we create the file, and then we run, then we do the test, and then so on. So it's iterative, incremental, and iterative. Now let's see what the Opus 4.6 made for us. So yes, package.json. Then we go to task 2, build config, yep. Then ESLint and other stuff. Everything is tooling related. Then we have for vtest unit test config. So still we are in the config mode. Then docker compose. So because we need to spin up the database, yeah, locally. So that's the first part, chunk 1 shares. Then the chunk 2. Yeah, the term is good. We have phases. We have now the chunks. Interesting. Okay. In the chunks, we have shared constants. Then we have what? Shared cross error classes. Unit test. Then we have what? Shared utils. Then we have what? That's 9, 10. Infrastructure, Pino logger. So we start with the logger. Prisma setup database. Then what do we have? We have DI containers. Then validate middleware unit test. Then what do we need? We need chunk 5. Now we're starting the application. Wow. So we are creating the application now, the skeleton of the application. And then that's it. So I believe, oh, it has the unit test, it has the integration test. Nice one. So let's enough planning and documentation. I think one thing is missing, that is the integration test for the database. Are we creating any database? No, we are not creating any database, so that's fine. And also the context is almost finished. So yeah, so let's wrap it up here. What did we learn from here is that we had an original plan document which had the complete specification or the requirement of the project, the complete end to end. Then we split it and we create the foundation and we name it as a spec, phase 1. In the spec, it doesn't have in details, it's just like the next level details. So what do we need? See, in here we don't have any specific snippets or details. It's just like, again, the holistic architecture of the plan, but more detailed than the plan. This is spec. Then we created the plan document, which is here, and this one now has its own in details task descriptions. So far it's good enough, right? But no, To let the agent to work properly, autonomously, and accurately, we need to have even more in depth. So here comes my next part, the task. 1 second. That is called the plan to phases. We did the plan to phases, I think. Detailed phase documents. Yeah, we'll invoke this one now. So what will happen? The chunks will be treated as the phase, and it will have its own chunks. Then we create the task gen. So now we are in the plan to phases. So sorry for the naming ambiguity. I will do better, but for now, yeah, let's go with this. So we completed the first 3. Now we'll be doing the step 4. See you in the next video.